Hello, my name is Juan Benjumea from the Airbus operating system team. In 2017, many Airbus plants have done tremendous improvements in AOS implementation. That is why we decided to reward the teams that achieved the best results in terms of industrial maturity during the year. And the reward to those teams has been a study tour to Japan aiming to improve our competences in Lean. As you may know, Japan is where Lean culture is more advanced. We are having the opportunity this week to visit numerous benchmark factories, including Toyota and Mitsubishi, and exchange with different plant managers and Lean experts.
My name is Inken Grunz. I worked at Airbus at Plant Stade in Germany. Yes, I think we have to be open for new and other companies, and we have to collect experience from other people and other companies so everybody can learn from each other.
Hi, I'm Jeff Short, Head of Operations for A350 Wing Equipping in Broughton. I'm currently here in Japan on a tour with Shinka management, looking at Lean concept. We're halfway through the week. We've done a couple of factory tours now, and there is one general message coming through, and the main message for me that I will be taking back is often the best solutions are the simple solutions. I've seen some real good examples of Pokey Oak where they've managed to eradicate quality issues and improve their work and their performance through standardised working.
I wish you a really successful week. I think this week will be something that we will remember for years. So, kanpai!
Hello, my name is Gustavo Llave and I'm the head of CDT A350 in Puerto Real plant. And my main takeaway from this week here in Japan is the Japanese approach for lean manufacturing and how they deploy it in their daily operations. Japanese companies are capable to be such competitive because they have very intelligent and simple way to deploy those lean tools that they need in order to cope with specific objectives, whether it is cost, quality or delivering on time.
Hello, my name is Léa. I work in Saint-Nazaire plant as a deputy of the nose fuselage system assembly. It was really good experience this week in Japan. To be immersed in the culture was fantastic. And my main takeaway for this week is that with smart ideas and simplicity, you don't have to be Japanese to do very good things.